At Bitter Springs campground here at the moment, and managed to get a spot right on the creek, which is good. It's definitely dry season now, which is also a good thing. It's lovely and cool, so it'll be easy to camp. And we're going to go over and have a look at the spring. It should be lovely. I can stay. Look how beautiful it's surrounded. See this beautiful water at Bitter Springs, just crystal clear. I'm about to go for a swim in there. Yeah, just walking into Mataranka thermal pool. It's pretty cool this morning, but luckily the water should be nice and warm, so we'll have a swim. And we're going to start cruising back to Kakadu. Might stop somewhere on the way if we see something, but plenty of palms in here. It's pretty specky. Certainly if you ever get a chance to come down to Mataranka and Elsie National Park, Bitter Springs, all those places there, they're yeah, awesome to check out.